What would you do if the king tested your honesty and everyone was watching? One pot of milk, one secret test, and one truth that shocked the entire kingdom. Let's enter the court of Emperor Akbar. Welcome to Talk Through Tales, where stories make your English stronger and your mind sharper. Today's story is about honesty, courage, and a clever lesson by Birbal. Listen carefully because the ending will surprise you. One morning, Emperor Akbar looked worried. He wanted to know something very important. Are my people truly honest? He asked Birbal. Birbal smiled gently. Your Majesty, sometimes people appear honest until they are tested. Akbar decided to conduct a secret test. He ordered a large pot to be placed in the center of the palace courtyard. Then he made an announcement. Tonight, every citizen must pour 1 glass of milk into this pot. Come quietly, so no one sees you. The people agreed. But as night fell, something dangerous entered their thoughts: selfishness. One man whispered to himself, if I pour water instead of milk, no one will notice. Everyone else will bring milk. Another thought the same, and another. Soon the entire city was thinking alike. Just 1 glass of water won't matter. Morning arrived. Akbar and Birbal walked toward the pot. The king smiled, expecting to see pure white milk. But when he looked inside, his face froze. The pot was filled with only water, not a single drop of milk. Akbar was shocked. How can this be? He cried. Birbal spoke calmly. Your Majesty, when everyone thinks someone else will do the right thing, honesty disappears. Akbar nodded slowly. He had learned a powerful lesson about human nature. From that day forward, the king understood. Responsibility begins with you, not others. Moral of the story: small dishonesty becomes big when everyone follows it. Always choose what is right, even when no one is watching, because character is built in silence. If this story made you think, like the video, comment milk or water. What would you pour? Subscribe to Talk Through Tales for simple stories that improve your English and grow your wisdom. And remember, great minds learn through stories. See you in the next tale.